I am Martin Berlo Manas, a student of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, Section 3BR. Research plays a very important role in our program because it helps us discover solutions to real-life maritime challenges, improve safety, and deepen our knowledge about navigation, seamanship, and global shipping practices. As the saying goes, research is creating new knowledge, and in the maritime industry, knowledge saves lives and drives progress. This course will help me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful seafarer by training me to think critically, analyze situation, and make decisions based on the facts and evidence, just like a compass guides a ship. Research on this subject will guide me towards my goal of becoming a skilled, responsible, and successful seafarer.